Understanding how cryptocurrency casinos work requires looking at three fundamental differences from traditional platforms. When you're evaluating options in 2026, the timing of fund availability depends entirely on blockchain confirmations. Your betting amounts get denominated in Satoshis or Bitcoin with conversion to standard currency, and network fees including gas costs on Ethereum directly impact both your deposits and withdrawals. These technical elements determine which crypto gaming platforms actually deliver on their promises versus those that create frustrating delays and unexpected costs. The deposit process at cryptocurrency casinos operates differently than you might expect. When you send funds, the platform generates a unique wallet address specifically for your transaction, and your balance becomes available only after the blockchain registers sufficient confirmations, typically between 1 and 3 confirmations depending on the platform's security requirements. This confirmation process can take anywhere from minutes to hours, based on network congestion at that particular moment. Games like Bitcoin Dice, which uses the classic high/low format, require available balance to place bets in small fractions of Bitcoin, so checking your confirmation status before you start playing prevents the frustration of thinking you've got funds ready when they're still processing on the blockchain. Crypto gaming platforms and Bitcoin gaming sites serve different purposes, and understanding this distinction helps you choose the right fit. Platforms supporting multiple cryptocurrencies accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and various altcoins, giving you flexibility in how you fund your account. Bitcoin-specific sites, on the other hand, exclusively handle Bitcoin transactions. The practical difference shows up in your costs and timing. If you're using Ethereum, the variable gas fees measured in GWE can make small transactions surprisingly expensive during peak network times. Bitcoin offers more predictable fee structures, but confirmations typically take longer to process. Popular games like Crash run on both types of platforms, but your choice of network affects how quickly you can start playing and how much you'll spend just getting your funds into position. Before you register at any cryptocurrency casino, verify 3 critical details that directly affect your playing experience. First, confirm whether the platform displays bet amounts in Bitcoin or shows the equivalent in standard currency. This prevents confusion when you're trying to manage your betting units and understand exactly how much you're wagering. Second, check the average confirmation time and withdrawal fees the platform actually charges, not just what they advertise.